Well, here's the old 12-horse tecumseh. This is gonna be the first part in the friggin' tear down and rebuild type thing, and my camera's telling me I got a low battery, but it should last for this video. So I got all the bolts out of the bottom end here, and we'll crack. I already got it just cracked open here. So see what. Let me see if I can. Here she comes. Ain't not bad. Never had an overhead valve apart before, so looks pretty good in there. Got a little oil antler. Take the cam out. Cam looks real good. A little bit of maybe heat scoring there. Not scoring, but I don't know. It looks pretty good though. And shell looks pretty good anyway. My piston looks good. I can't turn that. Whatever. Anyway, now my cylinder and everything looks good in there. My cam looks good, all the gears and everything, all the teeth. All the teeth look good and everything, so. My governor. That works. My yep, not working good. So she won't blow up on us. There's another little gear there. Anyway, yeah, she looks pretty good. I gotta take that setup off there because it's all just screwed up, but yeah, she looks pretty good anyway. So stay tuned for part 2, I guess. So I just did a little bit of organizing in here, but got a little bit more room. Anyway, talk to you later.